In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes on TradingView, whether you're using the website or the desktop application. Customizing the look of your charts can really enhance your viewing experience, make your workspace more comfortable, and even help with the focus during trading sessions. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily switch between a dark and light theme. Let's start with changing themes directly on a chart in TradingView, applicable for both the website and the desktop app. First, you'll need to open up TradingView and select a chart you want to work with. Once you have your chart front and center, here's where the magic starts. Take your mouse, find a spot anywhere on the chart, and give it a good right click. This action will unveil a context menu, and from this menu, you need to look for the option labeled Color Theme. Once you've found it, click on it. Now comes the fun part, choosing your theme. A small menu will appear, offering you the choice between a dark theme, which is great for reducing eye strain in low light environments, or a light theme that can be wonderful in brighter settings. Simply click on the one that tickles your fancy, and voila. Your chart will instantly transform to your selected theme. This can really help adjust your workflow according to your preferences or needs at any given moment, making the interface work for you. Now, if you're using the TradingView desktop app and prefer your theme to follow your system settings, don't worry, we've got that covered too. Begin by launching the TradingView desktop application. Ensure you're signed in, and once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture resides. Give it a click and you'll reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and select that. Once inside the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the tab labeled General Settings. Here is where you can make further theme adjustments. You'll find the option to pick between light, dark, or a third option called System. If you select System, the theme of the TradingView app will sync with your operating system's theme, switching between dark and light automatically as your system does. This can be particularly handy if you frequently change your system theme or rely on its auto setting to adjust based on the time of day. And there you have it. Whether you're on the go using the website or at your desk with the desktop app, swapping themes on TradingView is a breeze. Tailoring the theme according to your preferences can make quite a difference in your user experience, keeping your trading environment comfortable and your eyes happy. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your TradingView theme settings as simple as a few clicks. Happy trading!